Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will work on ternary operator in PHP. As we have discussed in previous video, if else statement. Ternary operator also has a condition part. Whenever we test a condition, then it will generate either true or false. When it generates a result as true, then the statement after or inside true part will be executed. Otherwise, when it gets the value false, then the statement at false part will be executed. The basic syntax of ternary operator is you have to put the condition inside round braces, then you have to provide question mark, then the statement you want to be executed as a true part, then you have to write colon. After putting colon, you have to provide a statement which will be executed if the condition gets false value. The main difference between if else and ternary operator is that in if else statement you can use multi-line statements. It means that you can use more than one line statement or more than one statement inside if else statement. But in ternary operator you cannot use more than one line statement. So let's see practically how to use ternary operator in PHP. I have already written this file and saved it. So let's check the program how to use ternary operator. First of all, we have to declare a variable named a assign value to. Now we have to check the condition or use ternary operator. First of all, we have to check the condition a greater than 5, then question mark, the statement for true part. Let's assign the result to variable b equals to true, then colon, the statement for false part, or if the condition gets the result as false, then b equals to false. Now let's echo variable b. Save the file. Now refresh the browser and let's check the result. As we know that a has the value 2 and 2 is not greater than 5, so it gets the false value, and variable b gets the value false, and that's why it's printing false. You can also use this statement without round braces. Let's change the value to 7. Save the file. Now refresh the browser. It get the value true. It means that you can use either with round braces or you can also use without round braces. And one more thing is that you can use a concatenation operator to concatenate this whole statement. For that you have to use b equals to value is, now use concatenation operator dot. Now you have to use round braces from starting from the condition right at the end of the statement. It is now a block. One more thing is that now you have to remove this variable also this. So now save this file on, refresh the browser, it gets the value true. Let's change the value, assign value to, refresh the browser. Now it's printing that value is false. Thanks for watching. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all my upcoming videos notification easily.